How to delete or clear Snapchat chats in 2 easy ways. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. The methods mentioned will remove conversation from your list of chats. However, it doesn't delete anything from the other person's device. First, go ahead and open your Snapchat. Click on the chat icon. Find the chat that you want to delete and long press and hold on it. Click on Chat Settings and then click on Clear from Chat Feed. Any messages that you have saved will still be saved. You can open the chat and then click on the saved message to unsave it. If you or they send you a message, then the conversation will be re-added to your list of chats, and the only way to prevent this is to block them. If you want to clear chats all at once, first click on your profile icon, click on Settings, scroll all the way down, and under Account Actions, you'll see Clear Conversation. Click on Clear Conversation, and then just click on the X sign of the person that you want to clear chat. It will ask you to confirm. Click on Clear, and you can clear chats of all the people that you want to do so. In this way, you can clear multiple chats at once. So this is how to delete or clear Snapchat chats in 2 easy ways. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.